In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block someone here on Snapchat no matter which device you're working on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously open up Snapchat and find whatever person it is that you want to block. Now you can either, and I'm going to use this guy Trevor as an example right here, but you can either go ahead and open up your chat list or search for their username and then just tap on their profile just like so. But essentially once you're on their profile page, go ahead and find the three dots up in the top right corner and go ahead and select this and a menu is going to pop up. Essentially go ahead and find this manage friendship option and open that up and it's going to pull up with even more menu options just like so. Simply go ahead and hit block and then it's going to pop up with a confirmation page right here where you'd go ahead and hit block one more time. If you ever want to unblock someone, go to their profile page, go to settings, blocked users, and then of course find their name, tap on block, or just search them up and unblock them like that. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.